OperaWine, OperaWine, OperaWine.
Hi, I'm Terry, now in front of the very interesting winery whose name is Fattoria, Zerbinia. Hi, Cristina. Yes, so which wine you bring to us today?
Today I'm presenting the top Reserva from Zerbinia, whose name is Pietramora, and the vintage is 2009.
Yeah, actually, I think you are only a few from Emilia Romagna here. So tell us a little bit about Sangiovese in the region.
Okay, Sangiovese is one of the leading product and the leading variety in our region. It has been cultivated since many centuries in that area. We have a nice clonal selection who has been selected through the last 50 years. The character you can get from the grape in our region, it's a very nice and fruity character, open tannins, but structural and powerful. And it can be very different, the style, depending on the area where you are located in Romagna. We are in the northern side, up on the on the border with the Tuscany. And we produce this wine from a very deep selection of smaller berry Sangiovese. Is fermented in oak and aged in oak for a year, and it has been awarded several years with a Tre Bicchieri from the Gambero Rosso.
Actually, you are a female winemaker, so what do you think? You have made something different, or what's your opinion as a female winemaker?
Well, when I started my job, I was one of the very few female winemakers. Now we are more than before. I think it's the female touch can be really very important in our job, because we have a very good palate on tasting, and I think that women usually have a very good sensibility. So the style we can get to the wine, I think can really be very, very important.
OK， 好，大家知道，其实我们说呢，那 Cristina 她是一个很少见的女性酿酒师，像刚才所说的，她会带来给酒更多的柔美、更多女性化的方面。我们也很期待呢，来自于这个产区的 Sangiovese 的表现呢。如果大家有机会的话，一定要来尝试一下。OK，thank you very much. Yeah, we'll see you around. OK，thank you, thank you.
OperaWine, OperaWine, OperaWine.